This app affairs show you
how to add countdown timer on Instagram story. Follow these updated method to get and add a countdown timer. First of all, launch your Instagram application and tap on this plus icon and select story. And I'm going to creating a story, but you can upload or capture a footage. And now tap on the sticker icon at the top and tap on the search box and type here countdown, and here you will get the sticker. Just tap on that to add the countdown timer, and now give a name to the countdown timer. And now tap on set in date and time. And now here you have to select a countdown timer in time and date. For example, I want to end the timer in February 27. And as you can see, the countdown timer is start date. Now you can change your background by tapping on this color box. Once you're happy, just tap on send to your story, and here we can see the result. So this is how we can add a countdown timer on Instagram story. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.